Ya más de 2 horas, me parece.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses will make you like you tell them or till they hee hee. Unzip your baggy your pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Me lo he pasado.